guys, we're making a funnel cake today. I got the batter here. I'm just going to put it in the oil, deep frying them. Just do it in any pattern, maybe zigzag. Just do it slowly so that it comes together. I still have a few more to go. Okay, that's good enough. Just wait a couple minutes and we'll flip it. So, put it in the oil, deep fry it. Flip it now. Okay. Good. Gonna be yummy, yummy. Gotta wait until it turns to golden brown. It's almost ready. Usually a couple of minutes is enough. Funnel cake chiller. It's especially we follow the recipe from Canada's Wonderland. Hope it will turn out to be the same. Fingers crossed. Just wait a little longer. I like to flip it one more time just to make sure that it's evenly fried. To be honest, it's not a healthy food though, but kids want to have fun. Let's see. Alright, so it should be ready now. As you can see, just filter the oil completely. You see? Good. Alright, then we'll put our topping on top of it afterward.
Toppings: powdered sugar, homemade strawberry sauce made out of strawberries and sugar, chocolate sauce, and ice cream.
Okay, so let's take the strawberry jam. Actually, it's a strawberry sauce. We use the jam and the lemon and some strawberries. So take as much you want. Just spread it everywhere. A little more, and then we'll take that powder, so make sure it goes everywhere, and any flavor of ice cream of your choice, just put it in the middle and pretty much done. So that's what it is. So use the fork and taste it. So delicious. Hope you enjoy our video. See you next time.